Hello, this is John. Welcome back. Today I'm introducing the new look Photoshop Elements, and as you can see, we now have a color choice for the new interface. We can launch the program in dark mode or light mode, and we have these new style fonts and highlighting in blue. So when we change modes, we get the blue accent, which shows quite clearly which section we are on. The advanced mode has been renamed. Previously it was expert mode, and before that full edit. I think advanced mode is probably better because expert has a certain connotation, and advanced has been used for quite a while with many of the guided edits if you want to take your guided workflow further. So that's the new tab, advanced mode, which is really the old expert mode. We have this button where you can quickly jump to preferences at the top right here next to share. I like to call it a half moon or moon button, which has a dark side and a light side. And if you click on that, it opens up this dialog where you can quickly click the preferences button and it will take you straight there without going through the top menus. And you can choose to, say, switch between light and dark. And I'm not going to do that now because once you make that change, you have to restart the application for it to take effect. The thing to say is that the dark and light mode selections are independent for each application, so you haven't got to stick religiously to the same colors for both. I like to use the editor in dark mode, but the organizer in light mode. So the choice is up to you. You can use any combination, or you can keep it all light or all dark as you please. That's basically all I want to say on this quick video. It's just an introduction to the new interface, which many customers have been asking for, and I hope you like it. Give it a try, and thanks for watching.